How to book profits in mutual fund. It is my pleasure to welcome Mr. Satish Prabhu today to answer this question.
I would say that again, I wouldn't book profits if I don't have a goal in mind. If my goal is not reached, then why book profits? Because profits are again timing the market. If you are timing the market, then you may get. And here, if you want to book profits, you have to get the timing right. So I may say that 65,000 index was the right timing, but 2 days later the market was 67,000. Then it fell. Now again it may rise. So if my timing is not right, I may not get the profit booking right. But if somebody wants to do right profit booking, then I believe they can do an STP or a SWP from that fund, which allows you to transfer some of the money from the fund to a low risk asset class fund. And again, I would say that book profits if you have a goal. Otherwise, I would say that it may not work all that well if you don't get the timing right.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like, share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.